Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Whirlpool brand dishwasher and it's not acting right and you need to restart it. I'm going to tell you how to go through the restart process to do a hard reset. It'll go back to factory settings, it'll run it through, and it'll clear out any issues that you might have. So this is a real simple thing to do. First thing you need to do is just make sure your dishwasher is on, but there's nothing running, no cycle running. It's in standby mode. It's on, but in standby mode. And once it's on and in standby mode, you're going to find the heated dry button and you're going to find the normal button. And you're going to press them one at a time. You're going to go heated dry, normal button, heated dry, normal button. So if you do that, then everything will light up as it goes through its reset cycle, and just let it sit until it goes through and it pops back up in its normal standby mode. So one more time, just go heated dry, button, normal button, heated dry button, normal button, twice. You do it twice. If it doesn't work, wait a little bit and try it again. Heated dry, normal, then it lights up, let it go through its cycle, and it will be reset. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.